Well, ho 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 and Merry Christmas everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am feeling very generous right now. And guess what, folks? I come to you with great tidings, my friends. So guess what, folks? Tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. on the dot on Christmas Eve 2021, December 24th, 4 p.m., remember that time, we are going live and we're going to give this away to one of you lucky South Florida region winners. You heard right, folks. I am giving away a Craftsman trade stack 3-box rolling tool tower, and it even comes with the adapter on top to put your VersaStack components on it here. So this normally costs $169 at Lowe's. I'll put a link to this down in the video description below also for you, so you can check this out on your own to see if you even want it. And remember, you might recall 6 months ago we did a great tool review video on this where we did drop testing off the roof, we did water testing, we compared it to the DeWalt and the Milwaukee stack so you can see them all side by side. So I'll put a link to that video down below so you can check it out as well too. So all you got to do to enter is this. These are the rules. But wait, there's a catch, folks. There's always a catch, isn't there, on giveaways?
All offers shall become null and void if, and you can read it for yourself in this photostatic copy.
This tool giveaway is only open to South Florida subscribers within about 2 hours driving time. You have to be willing to drive to come pick this up within a couple of days. Because I can't ship this thing, I'm not going to ship it, I'm not going through all of the headache. It would probably cost over $100 to ship this. So the winner has to come pick this up. Cash and carry, folks. Actually, no cash. It's free. And remember, folks, we can't hold this for you, all right? So you have to be able to come get this within a couple of days, because I'm not going to hold this to the springtime for your drunk cousin Eddie to come down from Tennessee in his RV to come pick this up. I want the winner to come and get this out of here within a couple of days. So here's how the giveaway is going to work.
Herein and herein contained, etc., etc.
Down in the video description of this video, I'm going to put a link to tomorrow's live stream that will take place at 4 p.m. In that video, I want you to go there and in the comments, before the video starts, put your name and what city in Florida that you're from. Now remember, this is not for people that can't drive to come pick this up. So you got to decide whether it's worth the drive to you to come to Fort Lauderdale. Otherwise, you're disqualified. You can't enter.
It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal. Shall forfeit all rights.
We're not shipping it. I don't care if your name is drawn, and if anybody plays games and submits their name and it turns out they're not anywhere near here and they can't come get it, then you're going to be ghosted from the channel.
So you get nothing. You lose.
So in the comments there, I want you to put your name and what city in Florida that you're from. So when we go live tomorrow at 4 p.m., randomly draw from all the people that left a comment from South Florida, and you'll have to come get it within a couple of days. Well, so there you have it, folks. This beautiful Craftsman trade stack rolling tool tower could be yours. So congratulations in advance to whoever the lucky winner is, and we'll see you all tomorrow, Christmas Eve at 4 p.m.